Missing mineral deficiency leads to joint pain. 3 months ago, my morning routine changed completely. Every step felt like walking on broken glass. My knees ached, my fingers stiffened, and simple tasks became painful challenges. Doctors mentioned arthritis, but nobody talked about what I discovered later: the missing piece that changed everything. My grandmother always said, "Your body whispers before it screams." I wish I had listened sooner. The whispers started with occasional joint stiffness. The screaming came when climbing stairs became impossible. After weeks of research and consultations, I learned something shocking. According to the National Institutes of Health, magnesium deficiency affects nearly 50% of adults. This mineral plays a crucial role in over 300 enzymatic reactions, including those that regulate inflammation in joints. Dr. Carolyn Dean's research, published in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition, shows how magnesium deficiency directly contributes to inflammatory conditions. When our bodies lack this essential mineral, calcium deposits accumulate in soft tissues, including joint spaces. This creates the grinding, painful sensation many arthritis sufferers experience. Here's what happens inside your joints. Magnesium acts like a natural calcium channel blocker. Without enough magnesium, calcium floods into cells uncontrolled. This excess calcium triggers inflammatory responses and contributes to cartilage breakdown. The Mayo Clinic confirms this mechanism in their arthritis research publications. My journey led me to discover 5 magnesium-rich foods that transform my joint health. Dark leafy greens like spinach contain 157 milligrams per cooked cup. Almonds provide 80 milligrams per ounce. Dark chocolate with 70% cacao offers 64 milligrams per ounce. Avocados deliver 58 milligrams per medium fruit. Pumpkin seeds pack 156 milligrams per ounce. Incorporating these foods required strategic planning. I started with a morning smoothie containing spinach and avocado. Lunch included a handful of almonds. Dinner featured dark chocolate as dessert. Pumpkin seeds became my afternoon snack. The transformation didn't happen overnight. Week 1 brought subtle changes, less morning stiffness. Week 3 showed noticeable improvement in flexibility. By week 6, climbing stairs felt normal again. But here's the important part. Magnesium absorption varies significantly between individuals. Some people absorb only 30% of dietary magnesium due to digestive issues or medication interactions. Stomach acid levels, vitamin status, and kidney function all influence absorption rates. Certain medications can deplete magnesium levels. Proton pump inhibitors, commonly prescribed for acid reflux, reduce magnesium absorption by up to 25%. Diuretics increase magnesium excretion through kidneys. If you take these medications, monitoring magnesium status becomes even more critical. However, balance remains essential. Too much magnesium can cause digestive upset. Doses above 350 milligrams from supplements may cause diarrhea. Starting with food sources provides natural balance and better absorption. Some people shouldn't increase magnesium intake without medical supervision. Those with kidney disease, heart conditions, or taking specific medications need professional guidance. Individual responses vary considerably. Always consult your healthcare provider before making significant dietary changes, especially if you have existing health conditions or take medications. Tracking progress helps optimize results. Keep a simple journal noting joint stiffness levels, pain intensity, and mobility improvements. Take photos of swollen joints to document changes. Measure range of motion weekly using simple exercise. My experience taught me that joint health isn't just about one mineral. Magnesium works synergistically with vitamin D, calcium, and omega-3 fatty acids. Creating a comprehensive approach yields better results than focusing on single nutrients. The most surprising discovery was how quickly improvements began. Within 2 weeks, friends commented on my improved posture and easier movements. The constant background ache that had become my normal disappeared gradually. Remember, everyone's body responds differently. What worked for my joint pain might not work identically for yours. The key is consistent application and patience with the process. Start small, stay consistent, and pay attention to your body's responses. Joint health improvement is a journey, not a destination. If this information helped you understand the magnesium connection, share your own experiences below.